Hello, this is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. This week we are doing paella on the Bullseye Grill. Traditional paella is cooked outdoors over wood-burning pits, and they also use a very special pan. The pan I got is the Valenciano paella pan that is 16.5 inches in diameter, and that is not counting the handles. As you can see, this pan is the perfect size for the Bullseye. For more information on this pan, check out the video description below. With the pan in place, preheat the barbecue to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a hot cook, so wear gloves if necessary. Here are the ingredients: 4 to 5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs, 3.5 pounds of large tiger prawns, half pound of Spanish chorizo sausage, green beans or peas, 1 sweet onion and 3 cloves of garlic. First coat the bottom of the pan with olive oil. Now add the chicken. You're going to cook each ingredient separately, but use the same pan. This allows all the different flavors to come together with the olive oil. Then that flavor mixed with the saffron gives paella that very unique taste. The chicken will take the longest to cook, and because this is a very hot pan, keep the chicken turning so it will not burn. Chicken should be done in about 20 minutes. As you can see by the flames under the pan, we're cooking with real wood, and the Bullseye is maintaining a constant 500 degrees Fahrenheit the whole time. Now remove chicken from pan and start cooking the prawns. The prawns only take a few minutes, and when they turn bright red, they are done. When cooking the prawns, make sure each one makes full contact with the bottom of the pan. Time to remove the prawns and start cooking the sausage. Sausage is already cooked, but you want the sausage to sweat and add a coat of flavor to the bottom of the pan. Spanish chorizo is milder than the Mexican version. For that reason, there is no worry of it being too spicy. With the sausage done, remove the sausage and then cook the onion, garlic, and green beans or peas all together. This will only take a few minutes. Remove the vegetables, then pour 4 cups of chicken broth into the pan. Now pour in 2 cups of yellow or saffron rice. With a spatula, even the rice out so that it covers the bottom of the pan. With the broth close to boiling, put the cooked meat back into the pan and evenly distribute. Then add the cooked onion, garlic, and green beans. Now cover and wait about 10 minutes. When the rice has absorbed almost all the liquid, the paella is done. The other really cool part of the paella pan is it makes serving really easy. The whole family loves paella, but they all said this was the best one by far. Also, the paella had a nice wood smoke flavor, and I have never tasted that before. I can sum up this cook with just one word: delicioso. If you want to learn more about this recipe or where you can get this great pan, please go to the video description area below. Bon appetit! If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Also, we really appreciate you watching.